Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today I'm going to show my morning skincare routine. It's not much different from the night one because at night I just use retinol. In the morning I use sunscreen. So I start off by wetting my face, and then I go in with my raw African soap. I swear by this stuff, y'all. This stuff has been a lifesaver. A lifesaver. Do you hear me? Warning. This stuff kind of burn your eyeballs a little bit. I kind of wipe my eyes a bit each time because I don't like water in my eyes. Don't taste that great. Then I get my hyaluronic acid. I don't put that much on my face. Like, I know some people be drowning it in their face like that, but I don't feel like it's necessary. Then I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. Not a long time, but just a little bit. Then sometimes if it ain't drying off fast enough for me, I'm gonna lightly pat it. After that, I go in with my Olay and my Skin Food and use them together. And let me tell you, a little bit, you understand me? A little bit of Skin Food goes a long way, okay? Because at first when I bought this little bottle, I was mad. So I was like, I paid $12 for this. Why is it not more of this? And if you're scared to use Skin Food for eczema, don't be. It is fantastic. Do you hear me? Like, because I got eczema, a little bit of eczema right here, and some right here, and right here. And sometimes I get little patches on my cheeks as well. But when I tell you this stuff, moisturize your skin so good. Like, whoever did the scientific research for this stuff, thank you. So after that, I just take my Neutrogena. This is just what I'm using today. I forgot the name of it, but anyway, I just like this one better. That's all. It's the Neutrogena Invisible Daily Defense Face Serum. It's great. It's great. I don't know if y'all can hear me. My husband is making quite a bit of noise. That makes me nervous because I'll go back in there and he's in tore my whole living room. I don't know what he's doing. So that's it. That's all for my skincare routine. It's pretty simple, laid back, nothing too extra. But that's it.